Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to download some cool sound effects for your YouTube channel, your YouTube videos. So first of all, you want to go to Sound Effects PD, then it's going to take you to this channel right here, and you're just going to want to find a good sound effect. Actually, let me see what's in this one. Okay, and the one I want to download is this one. It's a Sad Violin one. So now if you know what it is, look at the title, and then you're going to want to go to, which one is it? Oh, this one. And you want to go to MP3 Juice, and you want to click the first link, and then you want to put in and here it is. If you type it right, it should be the first one. And click download. And it is downloading now. Don't exit it out yet first. Let it download or else it will not do it. Congratulations. Okay, so now it should be in your music. It is right here. Okay, now I'm going to edit a little video, and then I'll show you guys what it is with this.
So here's my intro without music. And so you just want to click audio, and it should be right here, Sad Violin. Click it, and look how it looks now. Oops. So you added it, so enjoy.